This tutorial demonstrates how to create a special effect using the cutting tool in SOWOT Pro. In this example, we have combined the letter J and on top of that a circular hoop pattern. We would like to tuck the circular hoop underneath the vertical part of the J for the special effect. To do that, we will use the cutting tool. First, we will magnify the area of the patterns where the cut should be made until we can see the individual stitch points. We will begin creating the cut boundary pattern by clicking on a point just outside the region to be cut. We will use the J underneath the circular hoop as our cutting guide. So to do that, we highlight the J by control-clicking its colored stop, and we click along the J boundary stitch points to create the cookie cutter boundary where the cut will actually be made. The closer we get to the stitch points, the closer our cut will be to what we really want. Now I'm going to use this pattern to cut the circular hoop. To do that, I'm going to highlight now the circular hoop by control-clicking its color stop. And you can see that the boundary that we just clicked out, the cookie cutter boundary shape of the J, is now inscribed on top of the circular hoop. We will now cut the circular hoop inside of this boundary and choose to remove the interior of this cut boundary region. And you can see that now we have cut away the part of the circular hoop that was on top of the vertical part of the J, accomplishing what we had set out to do. We can see that by going back to a normal sized view. And there we have the J on top of the circular hoop and beneath it on the left.